Hello everyone. What I've got for you today, besides a barking dog in the background, is some balcony picking. These are two Yale Juniors that, when I first start looking at these things, I take a light and I shine it down here and I follow the direction the key would go, and there's two levers over here. Two things that look like it could be levers, and I messed with them and I couldn't get it to open. A lot of times when you go to open a lock, it'll open over on this side. So I got over here and I noticed that there was something that I might be able to hit. Let's see if I can get it. The spy pass tool. Try this one. When you find the piece, it opens up with a lot of resistance. You almost feel like you're going to break the tool. Any day now. This wire's really twisting a lot. Get him back in there. I'm going too far up. There we go. And this one should be the same way. There we go. Yeah, you have to really push on it hard. And all this pulling back is a little piece back in here, a little bolt that catches on that side. There's really not enough room to, I guess you could get a broken pick in there maybe and push that back, but you really have to have something solid to get these. I don't have the light on the camera because I'm outside on the balcony. And there you go. A couple of Yales for you. Lever locks. Thank you for watching and happy picking, everyone.